Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to guess the gibberish filter. So I will go to my Instagram and you need to search for the username that is gu_Christopher, and once this opens you need to go to the filter section, click on this, and if you scroll down there are a lot of filters, but then we need to go to this one, the one which says guess the gibberish. So I will click on it and you see this is the filter which we are talking about, Instagram filter. You can click on the try it option below and try this filter and use this. So for this account you need to type in, I will just say it again so that it's easier for you to find it. It's gu_Christopher. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.